Are these solar powered lights bright enough to light up your backyard? Are they fully adjustable? And how long do the batteries last? Let's take a look. This is the 8-pack of solar lights. Each solar light will come with a pack of mounting screws, as well as a set of ground stakes. So you have the option to mount these on the ground anywhere you like in your backyard, or to any solid structure. Each solar light is individually wrapped with bubble wrap. It has the solar panel pre-attached to it. These solar lights are quick and easy to set up. Install the stakes, place them in the ground where you want them, and angle the light and the solar panel to your desired position. One nice feature about these solar panels is the solar light is adjustable up to 180 degrees for a wide range of flexibility, as well as the solar panel, giving you full access to the sun no matter what direction you have your solar light facing. What makes these solar lights stand out from the others on the market is their omnidirectional wide range 102 LED light system. With the press of the power button, you can switch between 4 different lighting modes: low, medium, high, and breathing, which gives you up to 200 lumens of brightness, as well as up to 20 hours of runtime. And these solar lights are IP65 waterproof rated, so you don't have to worry about them being out in the elements. But how well do these solar lights really light up at night? Let's take a look. Well, thanks for joining me today. I hope you guys found this video informational and helpful in deciding your next outdoor solar lights. Being that they're solar powered, no wires needed to run to them, they're a perfect solution for anywhere in your yard. They're perfect for pathways, patios, gardens, lighting up your trees, or any of your landscaping. These lights come in cool white, warm white, and multicolored as well. The ones shown here today were in the cool white. The multicolor lights that they sell would be perfect for holidays as well, giving you the flexibility to change up the color for each occasion. If you guys are interested in checking out this product, I'll have a link down in the description. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to leave those in the comments. As always, thanks for watching, and remember to get outdoors with Dino.